Hey everybody, Paula Lister here with Becoming More with Paula and Jordan Essentials. Today I want to share with you our Magnesium Trio and our Magnesium Stick collection. And it is a full collection. We have 3 different blends here for you. We have our original, which is our Magnesium Plus with our headache blend in it. It has, I want to make sure I get this right for you. It has our peppermint, our sweet basil, lavender, and frankincense essential oil blend with our lotion bar base, and then also infused with magnesium oil. So you get all the benefits of magnesium and other relief sources. So this one I kind of call it for relief of aches, pains, and everything else like migraines, muscle tension, bruising, joint pain. This is so good for joint pain. Straight on there. It's a great for any of your pressure points for specific pinpointed areas that you're trying to relieve tension. Tech neck from typing all day. Just whoop, whoop, and there you go. That's our pain stick. This is our original one. Then we have added our magnesium with the Peace Blend, and the Peace Blend has the ylang-ylang, patchouli, it has frankincense, clary, sage, sweet orange, and thyme essential oils, all jam-packed again with the lotion bar base and the magnesium infused into it so that you get from anxiety. It's an added boost from anxiety, ADHD, overwhelm feeling. It's just awesome for that. In a pinch, it can also be used for inflammation and any other thing that you got going on. And because some people are very sensitive to certain scents, we have a completely unscented magnesium. So it's a natural scent of the magnesium and the lotion bar blended together. You still get those benefits, but not as much as the powered up with the Peace Blend and the Headache Blend. So you can get these individually for $14 a piece, or you can get all 3 for $36. I got to make sure that's right. $36 at becomingmorewithpaula.com.